Hello my lovelies, it's Jem here, just popping on very quickly to tell you all about Rocks and Chains. So if you weren't aware, Rocks and Chains have a subscription box. Every month something new and exciting comes out to you. So for this month I'm going to be working with Resonate products, courtesy of Rocks and Chains, for a botanical jewellery inspiration kit. So if you want to take a sneaky peek, let's head down to the board and take a look at what we've got to work with this month. Every month there's a brand new subscription box at Rocks and Chains, and this month is resin jewellery. Let's see what's in the box. I'm super excited about this. I've never worked with resin. So we're going to see what you get in the kit. Let's have a gander. Oh, you've got 2 measuring pots, gloves, a mixing pot and stirring sticks. You've also got some little cocktail sticks in there which you can use to paint colours. Talking of resin, it's a 2-part kit, and this is solvent free from our friends at Resonate. You've also got some colours in here and some flakes. Brilliant noises on camera, sorry about that. So you've got a blue and a gorgeous oceanic, sort of turquoisey blue it is, and a beautiful white which you can mix, and a sachet of beautiful gold flake. So that's going to be exciting to work with. Oh, this is incredible. Check these out. Absolutely gorgeous dried pressed flowers. Now, one of the reasons that I've never really worked with resin is because I've been afraid of putting the wrong article in the resin. So knowing that this is prepared and approved by our friends at Resonate, it's absolutely super to know that these aren't going to just be the wrong thing. Let's see what else we've got. You've got your backing tape. So this goes on the back of open rings like these. So I can see 2 deep silver tone ones and 3 shallow gold tone ones. Let's put those to one side. Oh, that's decided to fold itself up. That's all good. Oh, gorgeous. Beautiful peridot, actually. Lovely peridot there. And you've also got, now these are not drilled, so they're perfect for working in resin. Now what's not showing on the camera is the lovely glossy flash that you get in Moonstone. That's only going to be enhanced if you pop it into some of those resin designs. Let's scooch that out the way. Oh gosh, we've even got chains. Ready to wear, ready to sell, ready to gift. Lots of pieces of jewellery ready to be made. Now these are backboards so that everything can be kept nice and flat and still. When you pop these rings on that back tape, that's going to help you to keep everything super flat and smooth. And afterwards, well, who knows, I might paint them and use them as coasters. I'm a bit like that sometimes. Aha, there's another deep ring here. So what did I say you got earlier on? I think it was 3 of the slender and 2 of the wide. Well, there's a 3rd wide one there, so that's 6 bezel type rings. I've also got earring posts here. You can put a tiny flower in there, top it with some flat lying resin. I've got a pair of ear studs. I want to say there are 2 pairs in there. Wow, okay. So we've got 6 pendants and 2 pairs of earrings to go with. You've got some charms and some jump ring findings also, which are going to help you finish off your jewellery. And I know that Fleur really enjoyed putting this in for you. Wildflower seeds. Now, we like to be circular where possible, and what I mean by that is we're going to be using some beautiful dried flowers in our projects. So why wouldn't we have some seeds to replenish that stock? I love Fleur's thinking with this. Well, I am really excited to get cracking with my Resonate kit from Fleur at Rocks and Chains. What a beautiful opportunity to try your hand at something new, or if you've tried resin before and it's been a little while, a refresher course. as ever, with Fleur's monthly subscription box, you get inspiration. So I'm going to try my hand a little bit later on. I'm going to get set up and have my first go with resin. I'm really, really excited, and I'll be sending some photos through as and when I make some progress. So if you've signed up for this month's subscription box, I look forward to seeing what you're going to be making, and I'll let you have sneaky peeks at what I'm making as I go through. Take care. Bye.